All right, let's go overseas and check out with our man, Oscar Williams-Grut. Oscar, markets rallying here in the pre-market. What are you seeing in Europe?
Very similar, Brian, and for the same types of reasons. We're seeing the FTSE, the DAX, and the CAC 40 all up over 1.5% today, off the back of this big rally we saw overnight in Asia, as we heard at the top of the show, driven by this state endorsement for the bull market. We've also got some localized boost here in the UK. We're expecting a stimulus statement from the Chancellor on Wednesday, and a lot of what we might get was trailed in the weekend press. For example, there's talk that the Chancellor will cut stamp duty, which is a property tax over here, and that sent house builders surging up the FTSE with gains of over 5%. Also talk of possibility of handing all Brits a £500 voucher to spend on retail hospitality, industries that have been really devastated by the lockdown, and we're seeing a lot of those physical retail shares also rallying this morning.
And some pretty good news on the UK construction front.
That's right. We had the June construction PMIs, the closely watched private sector survey, and they showed what the economists at IHS Markit, which put together the survey, they said it showed a strong rebound. Essentially, the sector returned to growth, and it saw the fastest rise in activity in 5 years. Construction sites actually reopened in mid-May, so June marked the first full month of activity since the lockdown, which perhaps explains that it's coming roaring back. Still a long way to go before we get back to pre-pandemic levels, but it is a reassuring sign, and also helps explain why we're seeing house builders rally this morning, as I touched upon in the previous answer.
All right, Oscar Williams-Grut, thanks so much.